This is a typical layout of a Stratocaster type guitar. You got your master volume, a tone control for the neck pickup, tone control for the middle pickup, and a 5-way selector switch, which goes from positions 1 through 5, bridge pickup, bridge and middle, middle alone, middle and neck pickup alone. Now, you don't need to spend more than 30 seconds with this thing to figure out you're missing a tone control where you really fucking need it the most. Here, on the ice pick thing, the bridge pickup. So what do a lot of people do about this? First off, you flip this beautiful anodized pick guard really carefully, because these assholes will go through flesh like a motherfucker, which is why I'm wearing this fancy Toy Story Band-Aid, which won't focus for some reason. Anyway, let's have a close-up of the switch. This is not the usual switch you'd find on a Fender guitar, but this is Squier. It does the same thing. It's a switch that's divided on two sides. This side is the pickup selector side. This goes to the master volume, this goes to neck pickup, middle pickup, bridge pickup. It's bypassed to the other side of the switch, which also goes to the master volume and goes to the tone controls. Blue one is neck pickup tone control. Red one is middle pickup tone control. And this little empty tab here is supposed to go to the bridge, but there's no extra pot to have a tone control for that. So what a lot of people do is remove this wire from here, the one that goes to the middle tone control, and they put it on the bridge tab. Some people call this the Eric Johnson. I call it a half-ass solution. Why? Because you've moved the problem elsewhere. Now you don't have a tone control for the middle pickup, which I know a lot of people don't use, but I do, and it's a crime, and it makes no sense, because now you have an awful imbalance between pickups. You have a tone control in positions 1 and 2, and a tone control in positions 4 and 5, and you got nothing on 3, so 3 is really ear-piercing, ice-peaky, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's too shrill, and it's real easy to fix, because, look, you remove the wire that goes to the neck tone control. You get a little piece of wire, which I've already bent, because I'm prepared. This is high production. And let's get the iron. You bridge these two. There you go. You got the wire there. And you got this wire here. Oh boy, that could go so much better. I know what I gotta do. I do this. You can tell I didn't rehearse this whatsoever. I'm an asshole. Anyways, well, you get the point. I'll do a better work later. But now you have a dedicated tone control for the bridge, and you have another tone control that works on positions 2 through 5. I know what you're thinking now. I got 2 tone controls on position 2. Well, if you think about it, that was the case before. You had 2 tone controls on position 4. You don't want to suck extra treble here, but you can afford to do it here, because it bridges the gap between this really ice-peaky one and this one that's not so much. Besides, this position is really trebly as well. So having the 2 pots works surprisingly well. Now you can set, let's say, the bridge one to 4 and the neck one, you can have it in full blast, but I usually have it at like 8 or 7. So this is really warm and nice. This one is sort of in between, but it's a real treble position, so it works. This one works normal, this works normal, this works normal. I can talk today. You get the point. The thing works. Alright? So, Eric Johnson, my ass. This works. Nice.